In Form 1 rate, ratio, proportion, and percentage. Welcome to this quick recap of this topic. We start with the rate. So rate, we start with the rate. Rate expresses the relationship between two quantities. For example, we may say that the population of Kenya grows at the rate of 2.8%. Here an increase is in population as a relationship with the time. So similarly, speed also expresses the rate at which distance is covered by unit time, say an hour. I want us to look at an example in order for us to understand better. When a tap is turned on for 5 minutes, it delivers 60 liters of water. Calculate the amount of water delivered in 1 minute, that is the rate of water delivered per minute. So in 5 minutes, the tap delivers 60 liters. That delivers 60 liters. So in 1 minute, so how much water would it deliver? So you cross multiply, so 1 minute, you multiply by 60 liters divided by 5 minutes. So minutes goes with that minutes. So 5 divides 60 here, 12. So the rate is 12 liters per minute. Okay, we can also have another example. So have a look over on another example. A mathematics teacher took 180 minutes to mark 45 books. How many books did the teacher mark in 1 hour? So in 180 minutes, the number of books marked are 45 books. 45 books are marked in 180 minutes. So how many books could be marked in 1 minute? So 1 minute, in 1 minute, how many books will be marked? So the books that will be marked, you just cross multiply. So 1 minute, 1 minute, you multiply by 45 books over 180 minutes. In other words, minutes goes with that. In other words, we'll have 45 over 80, 180 books marked in 1 minute is 45 over 100 and 80. So books marked in 60 minutes. So how many books should be marked in 60 minutes? So books marked in 60 minutes, marked in 60 minutes would equal to 45 over 180, you multiply by 60. multiply by 60. So that will give you, so these ones here divide here 3 times, the ones here 15. So this will be 15 books are marked per 1 hour. Per hour. Books are marked per hour. Okay. When climbing, let's look at also at another example. So look at another example. Let's look at another example. Example number 3. So it's example number 1. Example number 2. So example number 3 is when climbing Mount Kenya, the temperature drops by 0.4 degrees for every 50 minutes climbed. At what rate does the temperature drop per kilometer? So we are told temperature drops. Temperature drops at what rate? 50 meters. The 50 meters, it drops at 0.4 degrees Celsius. Okay. So temperature drop for 1 meter climbed. How much? What temperature will drop in 1 meter? So temperature dropped in 1 meter will be how much? It will be, that will be cross multiply, will be 0.4 degrees Celsius divided by 50 meters. Okay, 50 meters. So what about the temperature? What will be about the temperature dropped? And the drop for 1 meter, which is equivalent to 1,000 meters climbed. That will be 0.4 times 1,000 over 50. So that goes in that. This one divides here how many times? 2. So this times that will give us 80, 1 decimal point. So that will be 8 degrees per meter. Per meter.